Offering hotel guests to cast their own content is in massive growth these days. Installing cast solutions in a room has major benefits for the hotel as well as for the guest. Guests will enjoy their favorite channels in the language they prefer. The experience service is much more like home, and the hotel may even cut in the Flow TV offer. Some Flow TV channels may be connected with licenses, so in this way the hotel may cut in their cost. So this is why casting services often will be a win-win situation for both the guest and the hotelier. Casting requires an IP connection to the room with capacity enough for supporting the desired quality. The TRIAX EoC solution supports the technical demands even if the demand is HD TV to all the rooms. This is the entire product family of our EoC solution. The controller, the Wi-Fi endpoint, and this new little thing, the MediaConverter. This compact unit is easily fitted on the back of your TV screen. The cables are firmly fitted and secured. No drilling, no noise, no cleaning, and you don't even have to take the room out of service. Installation is done in a few minutes. TRIAX has developed and manufactured products for coax technology for many years, decades actually, and our installers has an equal experience. Our technology is recognized as leading edge all over Europe. If you feel that you are on shaky ground with coax technology, splitters, taps, frequencies, modulations, you're in safe hand with TRIAX.